Hello everyone, welcome to the chapter 1 HTML and CSS. The topic is what is HTML and CSS. This video is really useful for beginners who are unfamiliar with HTML and CSS. First and foremost, let's talk about HTML. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. As a result, it's a markup language rather than programming language. So what exactly is markup language? It is a specified language in which we employ various types of elements, tags and other elements. This course will teach you all you need to know about HTML. It's used to make web pages. HTML is used across the website. Take for example Google, Amazon and even Facebook, which are all developed using HTML. You can inspect the coding by right-clicking and selecting View Source or Inspect the Page. So here you can see the doc type is HTML, which shows this page is developed by HTML. The code used to structure a web page and its content is known as HTML. For example, content could be organized into paragraphs, a list of bulleted points, or through the use of images and data tables. Now let's move forward to the CSS. What is CSS? Cascading Style Sheet. It is used to give HTML pages style and organization. For example, if we developed a page of website using HTML, we can give it a design using CSS, and that design will give any website a nice and organized appearance. Here is an example from eShoppingMall.co. It's built with HTML, but it's styled with CSS. So if I remove CSS from the website, it would seem like this, which is not an organized manner of giving an unpleasant appearance to a website. So CSS gives it a design and keeps it in a good manner or orders. Anyway, you will easily comprehend the next lectures, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.